Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this pretty Dutch braid half up half down hairstyle. To start off, we're going to want to take a small section of hair from the front of the head and divide this into 3 equal sections. Now to create the Dutch braid, all we're going to do is pass the left strand under the middle strand and then the right strand under the middle strand. Then we're going to pass the left strand under the middle strand again, but this time we're going to add a thin slice of hair from the side closest to the face. Then pass the right strand under the middle strand, adding a thin slice of hair from the top of the head. And we're going to repeat this down to just past the ear. So when you get to just past the ear, stop adding in hair to those sections and just finish it off as a regular 3-strand braid. Make sure you angle this towards the back of the head. So keeping hold of the end of that braid, I've just applied some texture spray. I will leave everything I've used in the description box below. Now to make this braid look really voluminous, just gently pull on the very outer edges of each stitch of that braid. And then just secure everything off with a clear elastic band. Then simply just repeat that Dutch braid on the opposite side of the head. So take a small slice of hair at the front of the hairline, split it into 3 equal sections, cross the left strand under the middle and then the right strand under the middle, then cross the left strand under the middle again, but this time we're going to be adding hair from the top of the head, cross the right strand under the middle and add a slice of hair from nearest the face. Then just continue this down to just behind the ear and finish off in a regular 3-strand braid. Add some more texture spray and pancake that braid out so it's nice and voluminous, and secure it with a clear elastic band. Take the braid on the right hand side of the head and just secure this to the back of the head using a couple of bobby pins. Next, pop your fingers through one of the stitches of the braid and use this to pull the left hand braid through. This makes it look like it's one continuous braid so you don't see any of those elastic bands, and then just secure as needed to the head with a few bobby pins. I've softly curled the hair. Again, I'll list the curler that I used in the description box below. Just apply a bit more texture spray to really break up those curls. So here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.